We have started the 2 days. Details are well known, so I will just go through केनैव हि अहं कर्ता अहं प्रत्ययविषयेण प्रत्ययिना सर्वाः क्रियाः निर्वर्त्यन्ते तत्फलं च स एव अस्माकि There is one Jivatma associated with the body, mind, indriyas, and therefore accepting the karma. Another one, Shuddha-atma, not associated. Trayoranyaha pitvalam swadvatti anasnanmanyo adhijatasi. One bird is sitting there at the top, not getting anything, and shining. And the lower bird, Swamiji has beautifully given a paraphrase of this. Lower bird looks this way, that way, eats a bitter fruit, then it looks up, and then eats a sweet fruit, it forgets for the moment, like this, and ultimately it comes and sees that it is. There was no clue at all, simply the imagination. That is why it was said, Dwa Suparnau, Sadhau, Salujau, Sakhayo, Samanam Vriksham Parishasvadate. So that is wonderful. Iti Mantravarna. Therefore, whenever we mention the word Atman, do not immediately come to the conclusion that the karma phala, this and that, it is this that we should hold responsible. Ajnani. Iti Mantravarna. Atmendriya Manoyuktam Bhaktetyahum Manitra. Bhakrabhava comes to Atman because of its association due to avidya with body, mind, indriyas. Iti Tatacha. Eko, it is a beautiful statement. Eko Shveta Shukaroparishad. Eko eva sarvabhuteshu gudha sarvavyapi sarvabhuta antaratma karmachaksha sarvabhuta vivasa sakshi cheta evalo nirgurasya. So Eko Deva, it is the manifestation of this one Deva, Atma, manifestation of this that you find as what are the various things. Sarva Bhuteshu Gudha, it is not seen, and at the same time it is there in every being. Sarva Vyapi, pervades everything. Sarva Bhutantaratma, it is the Antaratma of every being. Karmat Chaksha, he is the Chaksha, Sakshi of all karma that is going on. That means what? Doesn't participate in it. The president of the meeting should not participate should not be a party to the resolution. He is there. Only when there is some trouble he may cast his vote, but otherwise he is not a party to the resolution. He is simply a Chaksha, Sakshi. And so like that, Karma Chaksha. But this Karma Phala Bhokta nahi hai. Karma Chaksha hai. Then they say there is some Sakshyam, what is to be witnessed. And their word for Sakshi is there. So that the subject-object relation again is brought in. And therefore whenever there is object, and that which is not Revopade Varjita, then injunction comes, Vedic injunctions, very good ways, like that. How can, no, our Atman is Sarvasakshi. Sarvasakshi mein kya Sakshiyatva hota hai? See, here is a Sakshi. He shall witness this. Then you can say, then he will come under the Vedic injunction. He is Sarvasakshi, so puts it there. Then you can't catch him like that. Because he is there, in everything, he becomes Sarvasakshi. Dharmadyaksha, Sarvabhutahivasha, Sakshi, Cheta, Kevalo, Nirgunascha. He is Cheta, Chit, Chidatmaka, Chinmatra Swarupa, Kevala. That is nothing to do with all this. Kevala, sure, Kevalo. Nirgunascha, what you call as Nirguna Brahman is also the same. The same entity, Nirguna Brahman, appearing as so many things. So all is same. Fundamentally not different. That is clear. Iti. Saparyagat Shukram Akaya Avranam Asnaviram Shukram Apapavitam Ishavasya. He is a Sarvavyapi, he is bright, then he has no body, Akaya, Avranam, there is no injury, Asnaviram probably means eternal, Shukram, you Apapavitam, untouchable skin. Iti. Ekau, Dantau, Anadheya, Atishayataam, Nitya Shubhatam, Cha Brahmanaha, Darshayataha, Brahmabhavascha, Mokshaha. These mantras very clearly indicate that Brahman, we can't add anything to the glory of Brahman. Anadheya, Atishayatam, Nitya Shubhatam, eternal purity of Brahman. Cha Brahmanaha Darshayataha, Brahmabhavascha Mokshaha. Mukti is your being Brahman. Brahmabhavascha Mokshaha. Attain the nature of Brahman. That is, and therefore they are not different. Tasmat na samskaryo moksha. Therefore, samskara also, moksha is not uspadya, vitarya, samskarya, apya. None of these things. Ato anyat moksham, anyan moksham prati, pratikriyanam anupravesha dvara. Anyan moksham prati, kriyanupravesha ashakyam kenachit darsam. I have shown you the four standard ways where kriya anupravesha is not possible in moksha. That is, no action can just come anywhere near moksha. And show me any other thing I challenge where you can find kriya anupravesha in moksha. न शक्यं केनचित् दर्शय तस्मात् ज्ञानमेकं मुक्त्वा क्रियाया गन्धमात्रस्यापि अनुप्रवेश इह नोपपद्यते. ज्ञानमेकं मुक्त्वा, that is, इस क्रियाया गन्धमात्रस्यापि अनुप्रवेशः इह नोपपद्यते. It is only jnana. And kriya anupravesha, it is just impossible in mukti. So jnanam only. Nanu jnanam, that is, these are all various philosophers. You will get the details in the tikas and commentaries. But now it will be difficult. If I say about the philosophy, then about their philosophy and what is their view. And some of them are brilliant philosophers. Prabhakara. Prabhakara's philosophy is called Gurumata because he was so brilliant that he simply outshone his teacher. So, like that. Therefore, we don't go into that, but these are all various philosophers raising various questions. Nano, Jnanam Nama Manasi Kriya. This is a very beautiful question. Sir, you say about Jnana, you say about Kriya Anupravesha, Ishadati Nasti. Very good, we agree. But Jnana also is mental action. Now, it is for you to define what is Jnana and what is Kriya, what is the difference between them. beautiful place. Na, Vailakshanya, because there is difference. Jnana cannot be Kriya. Kriya, you must carefully watch the words. Kriya Nama, Sa, Yatra, Vastu Swarupa, Nirapekshaiva Chokyate. Whatever may be the Vastu Swarupa, the nature of a thing, Kriya simply asks you, demands action. That is Kriya. Vastu Swarupa, Nirapekshaiva, whatever it is. That is Kriya. Chokyate. Purusha Chitta Vyapara Cha. Because Kriya is dependent on the mind of the person who is addressed, do something. That person who has been asked to do something, now he can use his mind and may do it, may not do it, may do it in a different way. Go and get water, suppose you ask something. He may get water, he may not get water, he may get something else. So that is Purusha Tantra. Chodana Tantra, Purusha Tantra, and not Vastu Tantra. Vastu Tantra is not like that. Suppose there is a cat here. There is a cat. You can't say, no, there is a rat also. You can't say. Because Pramana-janyam. Jnana is Pramana-janyam. There is Pramana for it. Using that I say a cat. It is the Pramana, Pratyaksha Pramana. And nobody can dispute. It is not the same thing when I ask something to be done. See, this is the difference. Purusha Chitta Vyaparadhina cha yata yasyai devatayi kavidrihitam syat tam manasādhyayet Vashatkarishyam iti. There is a statement coming somewhere. Whatever devata you are, to whom you are offering this, you mentally meditate on that. One statement in the Karma Kanda. That is work. See, Kriya, mentally meditate on that devata, that is Kriya. Do not confuse this with Jnana. Jnana is different from meditating on a particular thing. Sandhyam Manasādhyaye. Another. Iticha eva manishu. Jnanam Chintanam Yadyapi Manasam Tathapi Purushena Kartum Akartum Anyatava Kartum Shakyam. Purusha Tantra. Meditation also is Kriya, we agree. Jnanam, Chintanam, but it's like Manasam, it is mental work, but we agree. But you should know this difference. The person is given the freedom of doing, not doing, or doing it otherwise. Purusha Tantra, it entirely depends on the person. Jnanam tu Pramana-janyam, but knowledge is not like that. It doesn't depend on you. It depends on the Pramana. It may be a Pratyaksha Pramana, I am seeing it right in before, therefore any number of persons coming and saying, sir, it is not that. I want to. Pratyaksha is seen. Or Anumana Pramana, or Shruti Pramana. Pramana-janyam Jnana. But Kriya is not like that. Pramana-janyam. Pramanancha yathabhuta vastu vishayam. This is also a beautiful thing. Fundamental definitions. You don't get anywhere. What is Pramana? Bhuta vastu, yathabhuta vastu vishayam. The thing as it is, yathabhuta vastu, as it is. Regarding that, a particular thing is conveyed to me, that is Pramana deals with Yathabhuta Vastu. And based on Pramana, I get the knowledge of Yathabhuta Vastu. Yathartha Jnanam is Jnana. Anyatha Jnanam is Bhranti Jnanam. That won't stay for a long time. Bhranti Jnana will go. Yathartha Jnana alone gives you happiness, eternal happiness. And Yathartha Jnana alone takes misery out of your life. And Yathartha Jnana alone frees you from all bondage. Fundamentally, it aims at cutting avidya, which is in the root of all our suffering. So, Yathartha Jnana, what that pramana which conveys Yathartha Bhuta Vishayam, that is the Yathartha. And Kriya is not like that. Ato Jnanam Kartum Akartum Anyatava Kartum Ashakyam Kevalam Vastutantrameva Tati. Therefore, in Jnana, you don't have this option of doing, not doing, or doing otherwise. It is Vastutantra. It depends on the object and not on your mental preparation for doing or not doing. Na Chodanatantram, this jnana and object doesn't depend on the Chodana of the Shruti. Chodana Lakshana, Chodharma. It doesn't depend on the Chodana. Hey, you do like this. What can I do? It is like this already. You make a rat out of a cat. How can I? It is a cat. A very number of orders from above will not be able to make me change it into a rat. Chodhanatantram, na Chodhanatantram, napi Purushatantram. This Yathartha Vastu Vishaya Jnanam is not Purushatantram. It doesn't depend on me or my interpretation. It is as it is. Purushatantram. Tasmat Manasatvepi Jnanasya. You know why he raised this question? Jnana also is a mental thing. It comes in the mind, it arises in the mind. And this jnana, chintanam also arises in the mind. Therefore, jnana is jnana. No, it is not. Tasmat manasatvepi jnanasya mahadvailakshanyam. Therefore, only because it arises in the mind, don't think they are similar. A world of difference is there. Mahadvailakshanyam. Yathacha Purusho Vava Gautamakini Yosha Vava Gautamakini Ityatra Yoshit Purushayo Agni Buddhim Manasi Bhavati. This is a beautiful illustration. Here is Agni. You see Agni. What is that? Agni? Don't you see Agni? Then there is a Vedic injunction. Somewhere in the era. The Gautama, who is being addressed to Gautama, one Gautama. Purusho Vava Gautama Agni. Think of Purusha, man, as Agni. It's an upasana. Atas, there also it is the same thing. Atas means Prakriti. So think of it as upasana. Another place it is said, Gautama, think of a woman as Agni. That is all right. That is an injunction helping you probably to do something else. That is perfectly all. But nobody said think of fire as fire. What is there? It is there. There is a number of orders from you that change it. Like where it is not, for some purpose, you are asked to think of that as that. But fire is fire. There is no question of thinking of fire as fire. Vava Gautamagni Yosha Vava Gautamagni Ityatra Yoshit Purushayoha Agni Buddhim Manasi Bhavati. So Agni Buddhi in man or woman, according to those injections, it will become Manasi, mental. Kevala Chodhanajanyatva Kriyaiva Sa Purushatantracha. It is Chodhanajanyatva. This mental Agni, you are asked to think of Agni, man as Agni, that is Purusha Tantracha. Yatu Prasiddhe Agno Agni Buddhi, not Chodana Tantra. But Agni Buddhi in Agni doesn't depend on the Chodana. It is not Chodana Tantra. Napi Purusha Tantra. It doesn't also depend on the man. Suppose there is fire, and you don't say, oh, that man says it is fire. You don't say that. It is fire. It's very clear. It doesn't depend on the man who says that it is fire. It doesn't depend on the chodana, some direction given from other. Kintarihi pratyaksha vishaya vastu tantra ideti jnanameva yetan nakriya. Now we use another tantra, pratyaksha vishaya vastu tantra ida. Vastu tantra is right? Pratyaksha vishaya vastu tantra. That is jnanameva yetan nakriya. Therefore, recognizing a thing as it is jnana. Doing something to get something is kriya. How can they become one? Only because both of them arise in the same mind. Can they become one? The तत्र एवं सति यथाभूत ब्रह्मात्म विषयमपि ज्ञानं न शोधनात्. एवं सर्वप्रमाण विषय वस्तुषु वेदितव्यम्. In all pramana vishayas, wherever pramana is involved, keep this in mind and be guided correctly. Do not come to wrong conclusions. Tatra evam sati yathabhuta brahmatma vishayamati. Therefore, with this explanation, when I have told you this, yathabhuta brahma vishayamati, Brahman as it is, you can't manufacture. That also comes under jnana. That is vastu tantra and not purusha tantra. Vishayamati jnanam na chodana tantra, not chodana. That is showing anything, Brahma Buddhi Kartavya. You don't say like that. That is Brahman is Brahman. No, Brahma Buddhi Kartavya. Doesn't depend on your statement, orders. Sodana Tantra nahi hai. Ye vastu tantra hai. Tad vishaye lingadayah shruyamana api aniyojya vishayatvat kuthi bhavanti upalabishu prayukta kshura praichyani vasis. So when this is the case, tad vishaye, you know the imperative, that is vidhi, vadvartamane kvere rute lunglaglikastata vidhyashishostu linglotau Langrun Vrichat Bhavishyati, something like that. So in Vidhi and Ashish, two comes, Ling and Lot. Approximately Vidhi, both are Vidhi. One is Ashish, another is Vidhi. That is, both are imperative. In English, both come under imperative. And there is another, the Avya Pratyaya you add. Atma Avare Drashtavya add. That also has the force of injunction. Even though it is not strictly ling or lot, it is. Now, what do we say this? Tad Vishaye, Brahma Vishaye, Lingadaya, ling, that is the mood. In Sanskrit grammar, lingadaya, shruyamana api, it is seen, Brahma vidhi, atmanam veda, something like that. It is shruyamana api. There, three examples are given for lot, for ling, and kavya. Atma vare drashtavya for drashtavya. And lot, another example is there. Two examples are given. So, lingadaya, shruyamana api, aniyojya vishayatvat. Now, clearly we hear ling. That vidhi is there, we understand. But you can't apply it. You can't apply it means it is like this. Here is a rock and you have a very sharp weapon. And simply I have a sharp weapon, let me apply anywhere and everywhere. And you hit the rock with that. What will happen? The weapon gets blunted. That's all that you get. Therefore, against Brahman, you use limb. Your limb will get blunted. It is Vastu Tantra, and you are using Purusha Tantra and Chodhana Tantra and Brahman, your limb will get blunted. So, Lingadaya, Shruyamana Api, Aniyojya Vishayatva, it can't be used against Brahman. Siddha Vastu, Aniyojya means it can't. No, I will use it. In Vedas, everywhere we use this. Everywhere you can use it, it gets more. Aniyojya Vishayatva, Kunti Bhavati, blunted. Kunti Bhavati, Upaladishu, on rocks, stones. Prajukta, Shuratai Kshnyaviva, a short knife, hitting a rock, just as it loses its sharpness, like that. Aheya, Anupadeya Vastu Vishayatva. See, the Brahman is such. It is not something desirable because you are already there. Not something throwable because it pervades everything. There is nothing other than that, there is nothing else. Therefore, it is Heyopadeya Vastu. Then that Brahman, Heyopadeya, every time he repeats for this reason, that shows its Purnatva. You can't take away anything from there. See, to take away anything from a Purna, there must be something Apurna here. Because this is also included in Purna. Where is your hand and how can you take it away and put it somewhere? Similarly, you can't add. There is nothing outside that. It is Purna. So, Heyopadeya. It is not Heyopadeya. It is neither Heya nor Upadeya. Aheyopadeya Vastu Vishayatva. Therefore, when you deal with Brahman, remember that it is Aheyopadeya Vastu. It is Purna. Nothing can be considered. Vastu Vishayatva. Kimarthani tarhi Atmavare Prashtavyaha Shrotavyaha Ityadini Vidikshayani Vachanani. Then Purvapakshi asks, sir, in your Upanishad only it is said, Atma avare drashtavyaha, Shrotavyo, Mantavyo, Nidikshasitavyehi, like that in your Upanishad it is said. These are directly not linked, low, but they have the Vidikshaya. The music, directly it may not be Shajjaswara. It is Shajjachaya is there, they say. That is, it sounds similar to that. So, Bhavya Pratyaya you add, Atmavara Drashtavya, it has the same force as it. Almost, the Chaya is there. That is the shadow of that is there. And how can you say no? Sometimes that Pratipatti Vidhi Vishayatva is said. Vidhi Vishaya, it must be done. Alright. Not Kartavya Vidhisheshatva, Pratipatti Vidhishesha. Vidhi Vishayatva. So, not Kartavya Vidhisha. Kartavya Vidhi is horrible. There is now nobody to listen to you. You may order. But Pratipatti Vishaya, this should be attained. This is Pratipatti Vishaya Vidhi. Atma Vare Drashtavyaha. That is, Atman is to be attained. Drashtavyaha, seen, realized. That we agree. But where is the method? Shrotavyo, Mantavyo, Vidhashitavyaha. It has the shadow. It has the authority of the Vidhi. Even though ling is not used. That is the idea. the Atmavare, Drashtavya, Shrotavya, Ityadi, Vivichayani, Vachanani. Swabhavika pravritti vishaya vimukhikaranathani brumaha. Now there also we say, you see there is a difference. Vidhi is there, do this. Instead of saying like that, you know, that always as psychologically a feeling of reward will be there. Hey, do this. No, I won't do that. So in Vedic injunctions it is all right if you want a particular thing, in Telugu we say, Chachinati chayali. That is, if you want to do something, whatever he says, because you want something. But for a Brahma Vishaya, I don't desire anything. I am part of Brahman. I will merge in Brahman. Who are you to order me or her? So this, what happens now is, he is asking you positively to do something. Now we say it is not vidhi. Atmavare drashtavyaha is not vidhi. You must realize Atman. How? For realizing Atman, whatever obstacles are there, they should be removed. Removed. That's all what we say. Is it vidhi? Whatever obstacles are there for realizing Atman, remove. Then automatically you realize Atman. What else is there? That's all we say. We don't impose an injunction that you must realize Atman. That language is not in our vocabulary. So he says, Swabhavika pravritti vishaya vimukhikaranathani. To realize Atman, what is, it is a statement of facts. To realize Atman, you have your own natural desires. And that path goes contrary in another direction. This is not this path. In this path you do something and get your desires fulfilled. That path is different. Therefore, on that path, these come as obstacles. That is, just remove those obstacles. You will progress. Swabhavika pravritti vishaya vimukhikarana arthani iti brumaha. Yo hi bahirmukha pravartate purushaha. One who is a bahirmukhi purusha is there, always extrovert. I will do this, I will do that, he will be doing. So such a person, pravartate purushaha, ishtam me bhuyad anishtam ma bhoditi, nacha tatra aatyantikam purushartham labhate. So what we do is, the world is full of bahirmukhi purushas. Antarmukha samaratha bahirmukha sudurlabha. So such a bahirmukhi purusha we catch hold of. And he always says, Ishtam me bhuyat, anishtam ma bhu. Whatever I desire may come to me. Whatever I don't desire, let it not come to me. So like that he will be progressing. He will be always say, we say, Nacha tatra aatyantikam purushartham labhate. My dear man, in what you say, there is no aatyantikam purushartha. Ultimate purushartha. Aatyantikam means beyond that there is nothing. That is called aatyantika. Aatyantikam purushartham labhate. You are asking for certain small desires. Come on, I will help you to ask for more. All that I do is, this is nothing, small things. I will ask for you a very big thing, and I will help you. This is how we deal with such persons. Suppose I say, hey, don't ask for this, it is bad. That the orders, nobody will say, no, I will ask this. No, I will give you something better than this. This is nothing. Like that we say. That's all what we say. Where have we used biggie here? Purushartho labhate. Tam aatyantika purushartha vanchinam. Aatyantika purushartha vanchinam. Swabhavika karyakarana sandhata pravritti gosharad vimukhi krutya. See, you carefully watch the words. Swabhavika Karya Karana Sanghata. What is Karya Karma Sanghata? This body. Karya Karana Sanghata. This body. Body-mind complex. Karya Karana Sanghata Pravrutti Gocharat. Pravrutti Gocharat means Pravrutti is there. You would like to go, get things done. We will just turn him back like that. Pravrutti Gocharat. You know, in the introduction to Gita Bhashya, Chakracharya says, Yadotto Dharmo Virinaha Pravrutti Lakshano Nivrutti Lakshanasthayati. Both are Vedic dharmas, we agree. So he says, Pravrutti Gocharat Vimukhikrutya Pratyagatma Shrotastaya Pravartayanti. So from Pravrutti Gocharat, Pravrutti Marga he is going, we will just gently take him back, and the Pratyagatma Shrotastaya Pravaha. Pratyagatma Shrotastaya means, even though Pratyagatma is here, but that is a gentle stream. So we will take him back and put him there. Instead of Pravrutti Gochara, take him back and put him there. Pravrutti Pratyagat Atma Srodastaya Pravartayanti Atma Vare Prastavyaha Itya. Therefore, you are asking for very small things. Atma Vare Prastavyaha. You see, you come like this. Wonderful things are there. Like Advaita Technology, helping brahmacharis to come to this garden. It was very hard work. All stones and hard earth to be removed. You would say, oh, wonderful, you have not seen? Come. Advaita good taste and with back-breaking work. So like that. And you are asking for these little things. I will give you something, I will accept. Pratyagaha Ityadi. Tasmat. You seem to have discovered something. Tasmat. Tasya Atma Anveshanaya Pravrutasya Aheyam Anupadeyam Cha Atma Tattvam Upadishyate. So one who takes to this path, to him we gently instruct in the Atma Tattva. Atman, which is Aheyam Anupadeyam. What he was asking for was little. That is expressed by the idea Heyam Upadeyam. You either reject or you take. But we are giving him something which he can't reject and which he can't take in. It is already covered everything. Aheyam Anupadeyam. Atma Tattvam Upadishyate. Idam Sarvam Yadayam Atma. Yatratvasya Sarvam Atmaiva Bhutratyena Kampasya Tatyena Kam Vijanyat Vijnataramale Vijanyat. So that is Yatratvasya Sarvam Atmaiva Bhu. When everything is Atman, where everything is Atman, then who is there? Kampasya, Kena Kampasya. That is who is seen, by whom is seen, and things like that. Everything is Atman. There is no objectification. Seen, who is seen, by whom is seen. Similarly, Vijaniya, by whom is understood. Like that. Kenakam Vijaniya, Vijnataramare Kena Vijat. He is the knower. Who can know him? Ayamatma Brahma, this Atman is Brahman, Ityadi. So this is the Atmavare Drashtavya, meaning of Atman, as used in Radharani. Yadati Akartavya Pradhanam Atma Prajna. ఆత్మజ్ఞానం స్థానాయ ఉపాదానాయ వా న భవతి తథైవ ఇది అభ్యుపగమ్యతే యదపి అకర్తవ్య ప్రధానం ఆత్మజ్ఞానం అకర్తవ్య ప్రధానం ఆత్మజ్ఞానం there is nothing to do there. It is to know. That is Atmajnana. That is the characteristic of Atmajnana. Atmajnanam sthanaya upadanaya va na bhavati. For rejecting or accepting, it doesn't work. Na bhavati iti tat tathaiva iti abhupata. It is just as it is. Atmajnanam, it cannot be something that is propagated or something which can be left there. It is tat tathaiva. For whatever it is, either you have it or you will never have it. There is no question of never having it because already you have it. You have forgotten, you have reminded. This, what is that? This necklace. Anaya upadanaaya vana prasnam bhavati iti tathaiva iti abhyupadanyate. Alankaro hi ayam asmakam yat brahmatma bhavagatau satyam sarvakartavyata hanihi krita iti kritakrityaka cheti. That is, it was an accusation. Oh, you are Brahman. It will be like that only. Nobody can take it. Nobody can even reject it. It will be like that. What a wonderful thing you have done. It is alankara. What you said is an ornament for us. We will accept your compliments. That is Brahma. There is nothing more to do. Kritakrityata. That is, all actions are fulfilled here. Nothing more to do. That is our alankara ornament. That is Vayam Brahmavadina, not Karmavadina. Iti alankarohi ayam asmakam yad brahmatmavanatau satyam sarvakartavyata hani. When we have realized Brahman, no, nothing else to do. It's an ornament. Kartavyata hani, kritakrityata cheti. We have fulfilled everything. तथा च श्रुतिः आत्मानं चेत् विजानीयात् अयमस्मीति पुरुषः तिरिच्छन् कस्य कामाय शरीरमनुसञ्जरे. You know Atman, ayam-asmi is the Vedic usage. Ayam ahamasmi iti purusha. So ayam ahamasmi iti purusha. Like this you should know Atman. Not that Atman as found in Aptesh dictionary. Atman should be realized as aham, ayam atma, aham asmi, iti purusha. Should know. For that, why are you observing austerities and all that? Ekadasi and all that? Not necessary. Know this, that's all. So, the Atman ched vijaniya ayamasmi iti purusha. Tirichhan kasya kamaya. What for you are asking? You are performing Ekadasi. Tirichhan kasya kamaya. Sharira manusanjvare. You are torturing the body. Vedad buddha buddhimansya kritakrityasya bharata. Can you get me the full quotation? Vedad buddha buddhimansya kritakrityasya bharata. You become a kritakritya. Sri Krishna says in that 50. That doesn't matter. That is Bhagavad Gita 50. Purushottama. So Etad Buddhya means he is giving probably the characteristics, the Lakshana of Purushottama, Etad Buddha, Buddhimansya, Kritakrityasya. He will become a Kritakritya if he understands, knows this. Therefore, there is nothing more to do for him. That's all. Kritakrityasya bharata iti smriti. Tasmat na प्रतिपत्ति रीति विषयतया ब्रह्मणः समर्पणम्. Therefore, तस्मान् न प्रतिपत्ति विधि विषयतया प्राप्ति either the पूर्वपक्षी or प्रतिपत्ति विधि विषय somehow it is always not कर्तव्य विधि विषय, but now he says प्रतिपत्ति विधि विषयतया न ब्रह्मणः समर्पणम्. प्रतिपत्ति is something to be attained. प्रतिपाद्यपि प्रतिपत्ति यद्यपि एक काहु, which is probably Prasarka. He is a brilliant philosopher. So whatever he says, you have to apply to the mind before replying to him. Yadapi Teki Bahu. Some people say like this. Pravritti, Nivritti, Vidhi, Tacheta, Yatireke, Yevala Ushuvadi, Vedabhago, Nasti, Iti, Tanna. Some people say authoritatively. In the Prasakara philosophy, Pravritti, Nivritti, Vidhi, Tacheta, Yatireke, Na. Whatever, wherever in the Vedas you see, you will find that either it will be asked in goading you to pravritti or nivritti. So nivritti also is action. Here nivritti doesn't mean sannyasa. Vidhi nishedhatmakam shastra. Either it goads you to do such an action or it asks you to withdraw from such an action. It's not good for you, don't do that. Or it is good for you, go. So vidhi nishedha, not sannyasa. Pravritti, nivritti, vidhi, tacheta, yatireke. Either pravritti or nivritti or tacheta. Cheta means in the end it comes, not directly, but indirectly it comes. They gave examples earlier. Tacheta, kevala, yatireke. Tacheta, yatireke, apart from being pravritti or nivritti or tacheta. There is no other statement in the Vedas. Prabhakara's authoritative Brahman. And Shankaracharya says, no, you are wrong, tanna. Yatireke, kevala ustuvadi vedabhago nasti. Ustuvadi means Brahman exists. Satyajnanam arantam brahma. That is, their statement without any spices added to them. See, to appreciate even payasam, they say, a little bit of pickles may be necessary. So, without any spices, Satyam Jnanam Arantam Brahma. Who cares for it? That is what he says. Tanna. So, Veda Bhaga, wherever you search, you will never come across simply this Vastuvada, a thing exists. That a thing you don't come across. Either it is pravritti or nivritti or tacheta. Auparishadasya, purushasya, ananya sheshatva. Tanna, Shankaracharya said. The purusha that you find, you see, in the Veda, purusha means the person to whom that message is addressed. There is no other purusha. In here in the Upanishad, Auparishadasya, Purushasya, Ananya Seshatva. Auparishadaha Purushaha means Brahman. From Auparishadam Purusham Prichhami, sir, I want to know. You want to know whom? Auparishadam Purusham Prichhami, not this man other. Purusha as described in the Upanishads. I would like to. That is the desire. Auparishadam Purusham Prichhami. So, Auparishadasya Purushasya Ananya Seshatva. He is the Pradhana, the main person about whom any question is put. It is not Sesha. Sesha means tail. So, Pradhana. Auparishadam Purusham Prichhami. So it doesn't come as Sesha. Ananya Seshatva. It does not come as Anya Sesha. Yosau Upanishatsveva Adhigataha Purusho Asamsari Brahma Utpadya Adi Chaturvidha Dravya Vilakshanaha स्वप्रकरणस्थ अनन्यशेषः स्वप्रकरणस्थः अनन्यशेषः नासौ नास्ति नाधिगम्यते इति वा शक्यं वदितुं स एव नेति नेत्यात्मा इति आत्मशब्दात् आत्मनश्च प्रत्याख्यातुम् अशक्यत्वात् य एव निराकर्तः तस्यैव आत्मत्वात् न आत्मत्वात् full stop. So it says योऽसौ उपनिषत्स्वेव अधिगतः. This Purusha, Avadrakidam Purusham Kuchami, Purusha taught in the Upanishad, he can be God only Hindu. You won't find him in the Brahmana portion. Upanishad-sveva adhigataha, Purusho, and what kind of Purusha? Your Vedas describe about Samsari Purusha. Starting from Hiranyagarbha, everybody is Samsari. Only our Sri Hari is not Samsari. He is the supreme being. And Rama is not Samsari. Adhyanta Ramayana says, Adi Brahastha. You are the first Samsari. You also agree to be everybody here. Our Upanishad Purusha is not a Samsari. Asamsari. Purusho Asamsari Brahma Utpadya Adi Chaturvitha Dravya Vilakshana. Utpadya Dravyam, Samskarya Dravyam, Vikarya Dravyam, Apya Dravyam, Chaturvitha Dravya Vilakshana. Upanishad of Purusha is different from all this. Your karma chaya will not be there. So have to speak of karma. Lakshanaha swaprakaranastha ananya sheshaha. That is, when you have to discuss Brahman, a prakarana for him only should be there. Swaprakaranastha ananya sheshaha. He can't be added on. I told you about many things. Let me say a little about Brahman. Nothing to it. You talk about Brahman, that's all. That is Swaprakaranastha Ananya Sheshaha. He stays in his own domain and there is nothing, he cannot be added, dragged on to something else. Swaprakaranastha Ananya Sheshaha. Nasau Nasti Nadhigamyate iti va shakyam. Therefore, such Brahman is not there, Nasau, Nasti, not there. He is not, Nadhigamyate, he cannot be known. It is impossible to say. Why? What is wrong in saying Brahman is Nadi? You know in Taittiriya Upanishad, Asti Yevopalabdhabhyaha. And if you say Nasti, what is that? You yourself will become Nasti. So be careful. Asanneva sanhavati. Asad Brahmeti vekache. If you say Brahman is not there, you yourself will become a non-entity. Be careful of that. Kritiva shakyam vaditum sayesha netine yatma. In Brahman, there is a long passage. Netine yatma, like that. Na. And iti atma shabdat atmanascha yakyatum ashakva. That is, Atma Shabdat, Atmanascha. This is Atman. Then the Atma Shabda. Atma Shabda, the meaning of Atma Shabda. They are not different. You can't treat one that is. You can never say that you yourself do not exist. Or you are not Atman. Nobody can say he is not Atman. Atman means what is his innermost essence. How can anybody deny that he is Atman? Even Charas do not. They say, hey, Atman is body. But they never say Atman doesn't exist. And Nayayikas say Atman is Jada. It becomes active when it combines with Maya. So like that. But everybody accepts Atman. There is nobody. Because without Atman, how can he live? Innermost essence is Atman. So the Atma Shabda, Atmanascha Pratyakyatum Ashakyatva, there is one sloka which gives the definition of Atman. This is one. Innermost essence of everything is Atman. Shakyatvat Yayeva Nirakarta Nasyaiva Atmatva. Suppose you say, I am not Atman. Who is saying I? I is Atman. You can't deny yourself. Nanaham Asmiti, earlier we read, I don't exist. Such an experience nobody can have. Even Rakshasas cannot have that experience. What to speak of? Tasyaiva Atmatva. Nanu Atmaham Pratyaya Vishayatvat Upanishasveva Vijnayate iti Anupapannam. Nanu, then the Purvapakshi says, sir, is it not true? Nanu, but he comes down again. When you argue him and forceful arguments, he comes down again. Sir, Nanu, Atma Aham Pratyaya Vishayatvat Upanishasveva Vijnayate iti Anupapannam. Sir, you yourself say, Aham Pratyaya Vishayat, Atma. Wherever we say Aham, that the meaning conveyed by the word Aham Pratyaya Vishaya, Atma. And now you say he can be got only from the Upanishads. Aham Pratyaya, wherever is Aham Pratyaya, meaning is Atma, Pratyaya. Then why do you search in Upanishads? Upanishad is not sufficiently authoritative for poor Mimamsakas. Do. It doesn't say much. Do. Iti Anupapanna. Na. Tat Sakshitvena Pratyuktatva. Now I have already discussed this earlier. What did I discuss? Atma Sakshi Cheta Kevalo Nirgunascha. This Sakshi hai. Atma. Then Aham Pratyaya means that. Sakshi hai. Aham Pratyaya Gocharaha Atma means that. Therefore, Upanishad Sveva. Why are you searching only in the Upanishads? I am not searching in the Upanishads. I only told you the characteristics as stated in the Upanishads. First time I come across those characteristics are only in the Upanishads. Sakshi. Atman is Sakshi for everything, everywhere. He is the Sakshi. He is the Chaitanya. That is why he cannot be objectified. Sakshi cannot be objectified. He is free from what goes on. What goes on is a temporary thing. And he goes on witnessing. That's all. His presence is necessary for everything that goes on in the world. Maya Adhyakshena Prakritihi Suyate Sacharacharam. So that Sakshitvena Pratyuktatva Nahi Aham Pratyaya Vishaya Tatru Yatirekena Tat Sakshi Sarvabhutastaha Samaha Ekaha Kutasthanityaha Purusho Mitikande Tarkashamayeva Kenachit Adhigataha Sarvasya Atma Ataha Sana Kenachit Pratyakhyatun Shakyaha Vidhicheshatvam Va Netu. Therefore, he is again repeating. And watch the beautiful words he uses for that. Nahi Aham Pratyaya Vishaya Kartru Yatirekena. Aham Pratyaya Vishaya Kartru Yatirekena. Karta is Aham Pratyaya. Aham. And Aham Pratyaya Vishaya is Atma. Kartru Yatirekena. Tat Sakshi Sarvabhutastha. That Sakshi is Sarvabhutastha and all that. Sarvabhutastha, Samaha, Ekaha, Kutasthanityaha, Purushaha, Vidhikande, Tarkasamayeva, either in your Vidhikanda of the Vedas, or when we argue Tarkasamayeva, Kenachit, Tarkasamaya may also mean Jnana Shastra. Va Kenachit Adhigataha, that is, Na, Kenachit Adhigataha, Sarvasya, Atma Sarvasya Atma Ataha Sa Nakena Chit Pratyakhyadum Shakya. That is केनचित् प्रत्याख्यातुं शक्यः विधिचेतत्वं वा नेतुं. That is, this Atman. This Atman means aham pratyaya vishaya kartru vyatirekena. What you call as aham pratyaya vishaya karta, accept that. That is because of its association with the body, mind, consciousness. Accept that. That is avishuddha Atma. Accept that. Vyatirekena. That Sakshi. You see, there are two things here. I go on. That is Jivatma. Ajna, immersed in Ajnana. I do various things. But there is another thing inside. Sakshi goes on looking like this. As in deep sleep. Deep sleep, I didn't do anything. All Indriyas, everything, they went home. Holiday. And then, but when I get up, I remember I didn't see anything. But I was happily sleeping. Then who conveyed this message to me? I was not there. Who conveyed this? Sakshi. Sakshi Chaitanya. Therefore, except this Karta Bhokta Atma, Sakshi Atma is there. He is seeing these fellows doing everything. Therefore, yes, already 4 minutes late. But when you starting about Atman, you should find Kala. Let it be here, tomorrow. It's a complicated sentence. Because Purvimamsaka start is complicated. So Shankara gives the left and right.